Your easiest client just canceled. The one who never complained, the one who never asked for schedule changes, and the one who never missed a session. You didn't see it coming, and that's the problem. In this video, you'll learn why your quietest clients are actually your highest churn risk. You'll know the exact pattern they follow before they disappear. And you have the one question to ask after every session that reopens the conversation before it closes for good. Stick around to the end and I'll give you a word-for-word text message to send the moment you notice your quiet client pulling back. It gets there before the cancellation does. Personal trainers are told that client churn is just part of the business. That's not true. Clients don't quit because they're lazy, and clients don't quit because you need another certification. They quit because of psychological factors nobody in the fitness industry is talking about. I spent 2 years at Harvard studying exactly those factors, and 18 years in high-stress military environments watching people push through conditions that should have broken them because the right psychological factors were in place. I built AETHER to distill everything I learned into something personal trainers can actually use. No psychology degree required. That's what this channel is. Now let's get to the content. The client who shows up every session, never cancels, never complains, never asks for changes. That's your safest client, right? Wrong. That's your highest risk. Here's what nobody tells you. The psychology of client retention doesn't work the way most trainers think. Complaining clients are actually engaged clients. They're invested enough to voice what's not working. They believe the relationship can improve. Silent clients? They've already decided it can't. This is a phenomenon called psychological withdrawal. A client mentally checks out weeks before they physically leave. And the quieter they get, the further gone they are. Now, point 2. There's a specific pattern silent clients follow. First, they stop asking questions. Then, they stop mentioning their goals. Then, the sessions become transactional. Show up, do the workout, leave. Most trainers interpret this as low maintenance, easy client, no problems. But here's what's actually happening. They've stopped investing emotionally. The relationship has become a subscription they forgot to cancel. Your job is to notice the silence before it becomes a cancellation text. Here's where it gets interesting. Point 3. The clients who complain give you something invaluable. They give you a chance to fix it. A complaint is a request for change inside a relationship they still believe in. When someone says the workout felt too easy or the schedule isn't working, that's engagement. That's someone who thinks telling you will matter. Silence means they've stopped believing it will. So here's what to do. Point 4. After every session with a quiet client, ask one specific question. Not how do you feel, not how was that. Ask this. What's one thing you wish was different about how we're working together? That question does 2 things. It gives them permission to voice what they've been holding back. And it signals you actually want to know. If they say nothing, that's data. If they pause and then answer, you just reopened a conversation that was closing. The complaining client tells you what they need. The silent client needs you to ask. You know what to look for now. The question is whether you're seeing it in your own roster or missing it entirely. I built something for this. It's a free calculator. It takes 30 seconds. It shows you exactly how much money you're losing to churn right now and what one change would do to that number. It's at etherfitness.com. Calculate. Free, no catch. Go run your numbers. I promised you a word-for-word script for the client who's gone quiet. Here it is. Next time you notice a client pulling back, fewer questions, shorter answers, showing up but not really there, send this text within 24 hours of your session. Hey name, I've been thinking about our sessions lately. I want to make sure what we're doing is actually working for where you are right now. What's one thing you wish was different about how we're training together? No wrong answers. I'd rather know than guess. That's it. 29 words. It works because it does 3 things. It names what you've noticed without accusing them of anything. It puts the power in their hands. And it tells them you'd rather hear the hard truth than lose them to silence. Most trainers wait for the cancellation text. This message gets there first. Now let's go save some clients.